Before you begin, understand this clearly. What you are about to experience is not relaxation. It is not imagination. It is not belief. It is a direct encounter with something you have lived with your entire life, yet never truly noticed. This experience is powerful because it does not give you new ideas. It removes the illusion of separation. For a few minutes, you will step out of your usual identity. Not your name, not your story, not your past or future. You will feel something deeper, a silent presence that has always been watching, a vast awareness that is not limited by the body, not confined by thoughts, not divided from anything. This is why this is not ordinary. Most experiences move the mind. This one reveals the one who sees the mind. As you stay till the end, something subtle will shift. You may feel a space open inside you, a sense of connection without effort, in knowing that you are not separate from the life, from others, from existence itself. This is not philosophy. This is experience. If you truly stay with me without distraction, you will glimpse your infinite, timeless nature. And once seen, it cannot be unseen. Stay with me till the end. This may be the most important inner meeting of your life. So, let's begin. Sit comfortably. Let your body settle. Let your breath slow down on its own. Now you are about to enter into a space within you that is older than your name, older than your body, and older than your birth. You are not here to imagine anything. You are here to experience. This is a guided journey into self-realization, a practical step-by-step path to experience your true nature. Stay with me. Now close your eyes gently. Feel the weight of your body. Notice the sensations in your hands. Notice the contact of your body with the seat. Now shift your attention to your breath. Do not control it. Let it move naturally. You may have spent your whole life observing the things that move. Thoughts move, feelings move, sensations move. But behind all the movement, there is something that does not move. A silent witness, a presence. Science calls it meta-awareness. Spirituality calls it the self. Today, you will meet it. Now bring your full attention to your inhale. Feel the cool air entering your nostrils. Now follow your exhale. Feel the warm air leaving. Do not try to breathe deeply. Do not try to change anything. Just watch. As you watch the breath, notice something. The breath is happening by itself. Your body knows how to breathe without your help. You are simply the observer. Now let your attention move from the breath to the one Who is noticing the breath? You are not focusing on the breathing anymore. You are focusing on the awareness of breathing. This is a subtle shift, a turning of attention from the object to the subject. Stay here. Just notice awareness itself. You cannot see it. You cannot touch it, but it is undeniably present. Thoughts may appear. Let them come and go. Do not fight with them. Do not chase them. Do not push them away. Just watch the thought rise. Watch it stay for a moment. Watch it fade. One thought comes, another one goes. Notice the gap after each thought, the silent interval. That silent interval is the doorway to your true nature. Stay with that silence. Now ask yourself very gently, without trying to find an answer. Who is watching all this? A thought arises. Who sees it? Your breath moves. Who knows it? A sensation appears in your body. Who notices it? Do not think, just look. Everything you can observe is not you. You are the observer. Stay with that realization. Let your attention rest in the one who is aware. Not the breath, not the thoughts, not the body. Just the awareness. Notice a strange truth. Awareness has no shape, no color, no boundary. It is not inside the body. It is not outside the body. It is just present. Timeless, silent, open. This is your true nature, not the person, the presence. Stay in awareness and listen to me. Neuroscience says thoughts are neural events, electrical signals, chemical patterns. Emotions are biochemical reactions in the brain. Memories are stored in networks of neurons. But awareness, the one noticing all this, cannot be found in any part of the brain. Science sees the activity. It cannot find the witness. This silent witness that you are experiencing right now is beyond form, beyond birth, beyond death. You are touching that now. Now let your awareness expand. Do not try to expand it. Just notice it expanding on its own. Notice that awareness has no boundary. It is not limited to your head, not limited to your chest, not limited to your skin. Your breath appears in awareness. Your body appears in awareness. Your thoughts appear in awareness. Everything is happening within your field of consciousness, just like waves in the ocean. You are not the wave, you are the ocean. Stay in this understanding. Stay aware and listen. When anger appears, do not say, I am angry. Say, anger is appearing in my awareness. Notice how the charge reduces. The amygdala calms. You become free from the emotion. When fear rises, observe the heartbeat. Observe the tightness. Do not label it. Fear is simply energy moving through awareness. When awareness is large, fear becomes small. While speaking or listening, keep a small part of attention on the awareness inside. Feel yourself as the listener. Feel yourself as presence. Conversations become deeper. You respond better, your mind remains clear. Before sleep, lie down, close your eyes, and notice awareness, nothing else. The body falls asleep naturally, stress dissolves, and clarity returns. Now stay still. Notice that awareness has always been here. When you were a child, awareness was here. When you grew up, awareness remained the same. Your body changed, your emotions changed, your beliefs changed. But the awareness watching everything never changed. This awareness is eternal. It does not get old. It does not get tired. It does not break. This is your true nature, the infinite self. Stay with this truth. Now let all effort drop. You do not have to observe anything. You do not have to control anything. Just rest as awareness. Silent, open, limitless. Do nothing. You are already here. Feel the stillness around you. Feel the depth within you. Feel the peacefulness of your true nature. Stay in this space for a few moments. Now gently bring your attention back to your breath. The awareness is still there, unchanged. Slowly feel your hands, feel your feet, move your shoulders. Now open your eyes slowly. Do not lose the awareness. Carry it with you. Let it remain in your daily actions. This is the shift from person to presence, from mind to self, from limitation to infinity. You have not imagined anything today. You have experienced yourself as consciousness. This is the beginning of self-realization. What you have touched today is not temporary. It is not fragile. It is not something you create with effort. It is your original nature, pure awareness, silent presence, timeless being. The more you return to this space, the more life transforms. You become clear, you become calm, you become fearless and free. Friends, you have experienced the doorway. Now continue to walk through it every day. Your true nature is always here. You now know how to experience it. Thank you for watching.